Oh my god, dude. Hey, we're watching Discord memes today, and that also means that you guys can also join the Discord. But before I start the video, we got new merch, which means you guys should go and get yourself some merch from Dream Clothing. I specifically work with this company because they take 10% of proceeds and send it to mental health organizations. The link will be in the description. This will be running for a while, so whenever you can, get some merch. Just saying, you got some time, but if you can, go get some merch and help mental health organizations. Appreciate it. Love you. Oh my god! I don't even know what to say. I think the meme said everything that we possibly needed at that time. Fire reaction to Drake taking minor break mid-concert. I think the joke wrote itself. I think the joke wrote itself.
What?
What is it called? Oh my god, I'm trying to think of the fucking movie. I was gonna make a funny joke and now it's not gonna be funny. Flint Lockwood! That's what it is. Thank you. Save the joke. Put that in right now. Put what in? What? It's not like that. Guys, it's not like that. Guys, it's not. Guys, it's not like that. Don't make it weird. All right? Don't make it fucking weird. She's gonna zoom in awkwardly. Yeah, she. Why was that funny? Me and the homie going for a drive during the summer. Both our ACs are broken. Okay, unrelated to the meme, but also related to the meme. This movie was actually so fucking hard. I need them to make another Ghost Rider movie. This scene alone was the hardest scene in the entire thing, because if I'm correct, the horseman, wasn't that Sam Elliott? Yeah, dude, I need to rewatch this movie, dude. This movie was so good. The Ghost Rider movie was fire, dude. I can jiggle my boobs. Again, another meme that writes itself. This is like the Olympian guy, you know? We were just talking about that. That's crazy.
It kind of will hold you into the car. You just got to jerk that thing.
Who does the best job?
Huh? Excuse me? I mean, that's really what you gotta do. You just gotta jerk that thing. That's better than a hawk to it than a spit on it. God, Jesus Christ, that fucking meme. I'm so glad it's dead.
Of getting their team off.
You can suck
What?
that guy.
Huh?
I'm not sure Jimmy Johnson wasn't happy that Trevor Bayne beat him off.
Huh? Huh?
What are you doing? Don't touch it! Stop! Stop!
Dude, I feel like there's a lot of those. There's been a lot of those within like the last year. We got Mini Lad. Wasn't the last year, but I'm still putting him on the fucking list. Dr. Disrespect. Cody Ko. Sneeko. I fucking hate Sneeko. Fuck that guy.
Oh, gee, why didn't I think of that?
Do you think?
Ready? Go.
Hey, we should invite Sarah. Of course not. We only know her for 5 months. You cool after? Hell yeah. Honestly, that is how bro friendships really happen. It's like, hey, we had a good fucking... No, you want to know how it is? If you ever, like, talk shit in a Call of Duty lobby back in, like, the Black Ops 2 days, you would talk that utmost shit to somebody, and then you become their best friend the next match. It happened. That's what we do, all right? We talk shit, and then we eventually go, hey, bro, you know what? Dap me up. We good. Every time. Without fail. I've met so many friends because of that. It's insane. Oh, my God. I think I've seen this clip a million times, and yet it still gets me going. Me and bro in 40 years after all the brain rot we consumed.
So... it was a bear? In a hat!
That was good. God damn it, dude.
So, where's Optimus?
Ooh, fire song.
Mission with Bumblebee. Sorry to disappoint.
And I wore heels and everything.
Mom!
Yo! WHEEZING!
My sources tell me you've been calling Jack in the Box junk in the box.
No.
I take these things personally, Brad.
Get lost.
Sure, just try my food, apologize, and I'll go.
Beat it, clown!
Listen, punk! I've spent millions of dollars improving my kitchens to make our best burgers ever!
You psycho!
Wasn't this an actual ad too? Wasn't that an actual ad too?
Who made the console orange?
Do I look orange? I didn't touch
Orange is not my color. Not me.
That wasn't funny. Oh boy. I can only imagine where this one's gonna go, boys. I've seen a lot of memes from this. If you don't know, Dr. Disrespect is trying to make a comeback, and he tweeted out this picture. And I'm gonna let everybody know this guy's a fucking loser. Alright, here we go.
All a part of my plan. See, while you were playing checkers like a child, to which I enjoy talking to, I was playing chess.
The fucking Light Yagami. The Light Yagami fucking music in the background. I fucking hate this shit already.
Me cheating on my wife and sending inappropriate texts to children? All a part of the plan. You want to know why they call me the two-time? Because I cheated on my wife twice. One time with a child. While you were being woke, I was waking up to text kids. All a part of the plan. What you thought was a major mistake, all I'm seeing are minors. My game studio that let me go because of my inappropriate text that I sent to kids? Oh, Midnight Society? You probably wonder why I named it that. Because I stay up until midnight texting kids. You fool! You fool! It was all part of my plan! My genius plan was to make you think I was a pedophile!
I haven't laughed that hard in a long time. Oh my god, I haven't laughed that hard in a long time. Holy shit, that was fucking amazing. Holy shit. I think I found. Oh fuck. Woo!
Flywheels! Leave your car behind!
Oh my god, dude.
Click! Rip it! The 200 miles!
I was about to say, I was like, I remember those so much. This makes me want to go watch like really old commercials that give me nostalgia. Because there's a lot of them where I'm like, oh my god, that's insane. Sorry, I slept with your girlfriend, bro. Here's a 32-pack of Go-Gurt. I hope this can make up for it. A 32-pack of fucking Go-Gurt, what?
Maybe I was wrong about you.
Dude, every single time I see this motherfucker, every time I see this dude, I think of General Sam. Every time, without a skip or a other things that insert analogy here, reminds me of General Sam. It's fucking hilarious. If you don't know who General Sam is, he's an awesome YouTuber. Go watch him. I don't think a 32 pack of Go-Gurt is gonna make up for it. I'm gonna be honest with you. Who's with me? We got WWE here.
You've been done with this. It's not that hard. I don't know. Seems pretty hard to me. Yo.
Fucking Carlito, bro. There's always that one bro. There's always that one dude that's always got to make it gay, and that's Tuxie for me. Not gonna lie. I don't know.
Seems pretty hard to me. Yo. I
fucking love Carlito, dude.
Hey, Darkwing.
Don't. My finger can transform. Guess which one? Go take it.
New species of giant wasps landed in America. Ah! 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 Okay, I'm good. I just laughed at that. But I gotta show you the reason why. Hold on. I reposted this on my TikTok. Just cats doing funny things. I love it.
And then along came Zeus. He hurled his thunderbolt.
Classic. God, I love that video. Fucking classic, dude.
Came Zeus. He hurled his thunderbolt.
My girlfriend trying to calm me down after a 5-game losing streak.
Don't.
I was gonna say this was me in Rocket League, but I promise you I've not.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
No, I don't want to tell my story anymore. Fuck you.
I was alerted to the need for medical attention when you said, you have a slight epidermal abrasion on your nuts.
Ah! Huh? I don't even blame Robin.
Hard or easy? Your choice.
Please say hard. I need the training.
Looks like I'm not the only one with a lackey.
Who's the lackey now, huh?
Oh my! Who's the lackey now, huh? Wait, chat. Isn't there a new animated show, a new animated Batman show on Prime? Have any of you guys watched it yet?
Why does my piano sound like Yoshi?
Hey, I'm the fucking green lizard from Mario.
Why does this fit so well? Maggots!
Welcome to Camp Navarro. So you're the new replacement. You are out of uniform, soldier. Where is your power armor? Don't have any? You expect me to believe that, maggot? The truth is, you've lost an expensive piece
I
of
love
army
this
issue
meme. It's so
equipment.
good, dude.
That suit is going to come out of your...
I've seen it so many times, though. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, it is a Fallout reference. Yes, you are correct. Shelter felines, but they just keep getting smaller.
Oh, look, a strawberry.
Oh, look at them. Oh, oh, oh. No, they're so cute. I want more. I want some more kitties, please.
I-T
Vodka.
BBNO. That's me. That's me. I am the Gen Z. That's right. That's right.
I'm not gonna fucking lie to you. That might be Baby No Money's best song. I'm not gonna lie. It might be his best song ever. You know what's really funny? Back in the day, he actually messaged me and told me that I could use any of his music because he's an independent artist, so he gives you like free reign, I think. But yeah, he messaged me a long fucking time ago. He don't even follow me now. SMH. Actually, I don't think he ever followed me before. But he's really dope. Biblically accurate Max Verstappen. I didn't laugh at that. Tell me right now or I explode. True and real. This is me to Bree every day. Not gonna lie. Every fucking day. Got the God of Basketball mix from regular show.
A little bit more.
Jesus fucking Christ.
When acid reflux caused Paul Guidry to develop throat cancer in 2015,
what? Okay.
His only option to communicate became this electronic voice box.
Oh, yes. Yes. Love that shit. Bro, my girlfriend is too beautiful. Don't overreact when you see her. Okay.
Destruction.
You know what? On that note, I think it's done. I think we're done with the memes today, boys. I think that was a good way to end it, boys. Hats off to the Discord for actually putting in the work for some funny ass memes today, boys. Let's fucking go, dude.
bbno.
Let's go.
That's me. That's me. I am the Gen Z.